Hello friends, and in this okay, so here if the difference if integration is given e to the power, okay, so here is some important some special function Laplace transformation is given. So here we'll see here Laplace in transformations, Laplace transform of your a is a by s. So we got by the same formula 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st and a with respect to dt. So a is here constant, e to the power of minus st integration is e to the power of minus st by minus s. Here 0 to infinity. So infinity, if you put e to the power of minus st is 0, 0 minus 0, if you put it here, this become e to the power 0 to is 1 divided by minus of 1. So this become your a by s. So this is Laplace transform of your a. Similarly, Laplace transform of e to the power of at is 1 by s minus a. Sin of h of at, a by s square minus a square. Cos of h of t, s by s square plus a square. Sin of at is equal to a by s square plus. This is all important formula you have to keep in mind, and this derivation is not required as per the B2. We're discussing the B2 University syllabus. So this derivation is not important. Only these formulas you have to keep in mind. So we can solve the problem in the next lecture. So here we'll do the some problems. Like consider if you given Laplace of sine of 3t. So we have to do one method by 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st into sine of 3t, sine of 3t and dt. This is one method. Another method is which directly you can by using the formulas you can do it. We already studied in the last this sine of at Laplace is your a by s square plus a square. So similarly same thing you can apply here, where a is here 3. So you can apply here 3 by s square plus 3 square, which means 3 by s square plus 9. Similarly, if you given find the Laplace of sine of h of at, sine of h of 2t. So sine of h of at we already discussed, that is your a by s square minus a square. So here you can write 2 by s square minus a square, which is 4. So directly by using this special function formula we can solve these problems. So consider if you given first questions is your so here if you given find the Laplace transform of sine find the Laplace transform of sine square of 3t. So here we know that Laplace of sine of at is your a by s square plus a square, but we don't know the square here. So one formula is you keep in mind, trigonometric already you studied, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos a square of a minus 1, a 1 minus 2 sine square of a. This is a very important formulas. Whenever the sine square or cos square is there, you can use it these formulas. So whenever the cos square is there, so you can add 1 plus cos 2a by 2, you can convert in the compound angle, and whenever sine is there you can convert this one and this. So you can write it here, sine square of a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So similarly here sine square 3t is given, so I can write it here 1 minus cos of 3t, it become your 60 by 2. So 1 by 2 is constant, Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of your cos of 60. So 1 by 2, Laplace of 1 is 1 by s minus Laplace of cos of 60 is x by s square plus 6 square. So we can write here 1 by 2, 1 by s minus s by s square plus 36. Similarly, students, if questions will be there, okay, find the Laplace of sine. Yeah, we'll take the example for cos. If you given cos square of 2t, so by using this one you can convert it. Here we can write cos square is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So we can write 1 plus cos 2 and 2 to the here 4t by 2. This we can write it. So 1 by 2 is here constant. Laplace of 1 is 1 by s plus cos 4t Laplace is s by s square plus 16. Okay. So this is the formula we can apply here. Similarly, we will do the example for the sine 3t. If given sine of 3t, given here, consider Laplace of sine of cube of 2t, you find it. So here cube if given, so same by the basic trigonometric formulas you can write it here. Formulas: cos 3a is equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos of a, and sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So these two formula is their basic formulas. By using this you can convert these cubic equations in the compound angle form. So here sin q is equal to what you can write here, this is this side, so you can write 3 sin a, 3 sin of a, which means 2t, minus sin of 60 divided by 4. This is the Laplace of Laplace we can write as a sin of q2t. Okay, understood this one? Because this, if I use it here, I can write the sin of q of a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a divided by 4, and a is your 2t here, so you can write 3 sin of 2t minus sin of 60 divided by 4. So 1 by 4 is constant here, and the Laplace of sin of 2t, because this 3 is also constant, minus Laplace of sin of 60. So we can write 1 by 4 as it is only, 3 is constant, sin 2t Laplace is 2 by s square plus 4, minus sin 60 Laplace is 6 by s square plus 36. So we can write here 1 by 4, 6 by s square plus 4 minus 6 by s square plus 36. We can take the common and we can cancel it. This is also is fine. Similarly, if given for your cos values, find the Laplace of cos of q of 3t. So we see the formula here, cos 3a is equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos of a. So here cos qa is equal to, you can write cos 3a plus 3 cos of a divided by 4. So with same formula we can use it, and in the place of a is here 3t. So we can write here cos of 9t plus 3 of cos of 3t divided by 4. So 1 by 4 is constant here. Laplace of cos of 9t plus 3 into Laplace of cos of 3t. Correct, 1 by 4 is constant. Cos of 90 is s by s square plus 9 square, plus 3 is outside, and cos 3t Laplace is s by s square plus 3 square. This is your answer for the Laplace of cos of q of 3t. Similarly, if given the another problems, consider find the Laplace of sine of 3t into sine of 4t. So you can find by this one. So this is multiplication is here. Directly we can't apply the Laplace. So you have to convert this in the form of, you know already, this sin A into sin B formula is 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. This is the minus formula is we discussed. So you can write here, this is minus 1 by 2. If you multiply here, if you multiply this minus, so it become 1 by 2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So we use the same formula. So here I can write it here, 1 by 2 cos of A minus B. 3t minus 4t is cos of minus t, and cos minus t is cos t only, because you know that cos minus t is equal to even function, that is your cos theta only, minus cos of A plus B, which is 70. So now Laplace we can find it here, 1 by 2 as it is only, and cos t Laplace is s by s square plus 1, minus cos 70 Laplace is s by s square plus 49, 7 square, that is 49. Okay, so similarly this is very important questions. If you given, find the Laplace of cos of t into cos of 2t into cos of 3t. This is very important questions. So how will you solve this? If you given cos of t, so we'll apply this cos of A into cos of B formula. What is the formula of cos A into cos B? 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So we'll take any of these two, means either we can take this 2 term cos A into cos B or this into this, anyone. So consider I am taking as this cos 3t and cos 2t. This is cos of A and cos of B. So I can write it here, cos of A plus B, half of cos of A plus B, t plus 3t is equal to 4t, plus cos of A minus B, t minus 3t is minus 2t, which is cos 2t only, and this cos 2t is outside. So again you have to multiply this. You have to multiply this. So we can rewrite here 1 by 2 cos of 4t into cos of 2t plus 1 by 2 cos of 2t into cos of 2t. So here again this is your product forms. So again you have to apply this cos A into cos B formula. So we can write 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and again 1 by 2, 1 by 4 cos A plus B, cos of 60. Okay, so this is not there. 1 by 4 cos of A plus B, that is 60, plus cos of 40 minus 2t is 2t. Similarly, if you write it here, I can write 1 by 4 cos of 2 plus 2 is, that is 4t, plus cos of 2t minus cos 2t is your cos of 0t. Okay, so this one Laplace you have to find it. You already converted this one in the compound angle, and that all is what, plus here. So 1 by 4 cos 60 is Laplace is s by s square plus 36. Cos 2t Laplace is your s by s square plus 4. Similarly here 1 by 4 and cos 4t Laplace is s by s square plus 16, and cos 0 values is 1, and 1 Laplace is 1 by s. We can take the common also, 1 by 4 into s by s square plus 36 plus s by s square plus 4 plus s by s square plus 16 plus 1 by s. This is the very important questions, and that usually asked in the video